Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my first ever Sunday reset video and I'm so excited to be filming this one today. I hope you all get as much relaxation and excitement for the upcoming week that I get out of these videos from this video. I feel like I watch a lot of these and they just really set the tone for the week. And so Sundays around this house are all about playing with the little one and then also just getting life together for the upcoming week because my husband and I both work and it's just really like setting us up to have a productive, wonderful week upcoming. Sorry, there's this hair that's bothering me. As you can see, this is boy mom life, but sorry, I just saw that in my viewfinder and I thought it was funny. So I hope you all enjoy this video. It is Sunday morning and normally the little man is up between like 5:30 and 7, but it is a little before 7 right now, but he is sleeping in today. So I actually woke up pretty early, so I got up. It is snowing out. I made myself a little matcha latte and I think what I'm gonna do is actually write out some of my goals for this year. I did this in like I think 2018 and 2019, maybe 2020, but you know, that got messed up. And then I don't even know if I did it last year. I think my goal was like have a baby, which check, I did. I've been watching a lot of videos where people have said that like writing down their goals actually made them like come true, like they manifested it. And I have to say, like when I've written down my goals, I've pretty much hit all of them. And so I figured that I would do that for this year. Granted, I'm filming this towards the end of January, but I think that's okay, right? Like better late than never. I have some goals in some different categories. So I have my 2022 planner. I purchased this from Plan Chicly and I really like it. And there's some sections in here where it's just like notes and thoughts. So I think I will write them out there. So I actually found my goals from 2021 and there was actually some things that I did. So I figured we could talk through them. So my first was reach 2,200 subscribers on YouTube. Obviously that didn't happen if you're looking at my subscriber count. And that's because I just stopped making videos. I think would have gotten there, fingers crossed, if I actually kept going. My other one was run a 10K, didn't do that. My other one was start like another investment account, I did do that. Go somewhere new. Surprisingly, I like thought I didn't, but I did go somewhere new. We went to the Outer Banks this summer with a group of my friends from high school and all of their kids, so check. Have a baby, check. and then try an F45 class. So I didn't do that, but I did try an Orange Theory class, which was something else that I want to do. I didn't write that down. I guess I debated between both of them and picked F45, but then ended up doing Orange Theory, and I've been doing Orange Theory since May, and I love it. So considering, like, I don't think I looked at those goals once after I wrote them down, I think I did pretty good. So here are my goals for 2022. I have some goals for YouTube because I'm gonna try my best to be consistent again. So my goal for YouTube is lofty. It's reached 3,000 subscribers. So if you're watching this video or you watch any of my videos and you like them, even just a little bit, please subscribe. And then my other goal for YouTube is actually to get monetized. So I need to hit 4,000 watch hours, and because I've been so, in a year, and because I've been so inconsistent over the last few years, that has not happened. And so I would certainly love to reach that number. YouTube is never going to be like a job or anything like that for me. It's always just going to be a hobby, and like right now it's a hobby that I'm making no money on, which is totally fine, but it would be a little bit cool to get monetized. So that is my goal, to reach 4,000 watch hours. So that's another little plug. If you guys like my content at all, please watch it. Thank you so much. And then for personal and health, I want to break a 7:30 mile at Orange Theory. So we do like these mile benchmarks. We actually just had one a little bit ago, and I ran my mile in 7:57, which was, and my mile before that I ran in 8:02. So I did bring it down under 8, but I would love to break 7:30. And then my other goals for personal and health are to run 2 races, and at least one pushing my son. And so I wrote Buster down here. That's his nickname, and that's actually how I'm going to refer to him to you all, because I don't really want to put his name or his face like out on YouTube. I thought I would, but I'm really just like not comfortable with that. And so because of that, I'm just going to refer to him as Buster. That's his little nickname. And then, so we have a jogging stroller, so that's what I mean by pushing Buster. And then my other personal/health goal is to read 20 books. And then for work, my goal is to determine my next position. So I'm at a company where it's kind of expected that you grow professionally, and like every 18 months, 2 years, you're moving around. And so I did move into this new position technically like in November, but it was something that I was moved into. While very excited about it, I didn't select it necessarily. And so I really just want to figure out like what I want my next position to be, determine what the gaps are, and then start to close those gaps so I can get myself there. So that's my goal for work. And then for travel, my goal is to go somewhere new. So this is where we stand for right now. And I'm pretty happy with all of these. Buster is taking a nap right now, so I sat down on this couch and was relaxing and started doing some phone scrolling, and so I decided I shouldn't be doing that, and rather I am going to run our little like robot shark vacuum and make some pizza dough for some homemade pizzas tonight. So that's what I'm gonna do when I can get the willpower to get up. It's one of the nice things about Sundays. I don't feel totally bad about lounging out a little bit when he's taken a nap. Hardest time getting this bowl off here. I'm just going to quickly form this into a ball, and cover it and let it rest. So we pretty much have Buster's toys on every floor of this house. And so I'm on our 3rd floor right now, as you can probably tell. And we use this, it's like our spare bedroom, and it is definitely a play area right now for him as well. We also have toys obviously in his room and then on the 1st floor too. It's a bit of a mess up here right now from playing earlier. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up because it just makes me feel better to kind of end the day with this space being clean. I'm gonna guess that Buster is going to wake up soon, but he hasn't yet. So I just opened a little seltzer water, tangerine, and I grabbed the book that I'm currently reading, The Hunting Party by Lucy Foley. So I'm just gonna sit here and read until he wakes up. It is Sunday evening now. We put Buster down a little bit ago and I decided to do some stretching. So I love Mad Fit's videos. I think they're so amazing, and I'll just like lay the yoga mat out in my room and get some workouts or stretching done. So today I just decided to do some light stretches. It was like a 12-minute workout and we got that done. Super relaxing. And then I jumped into the shower and now I am clean. So I'm gonna finish off my night before I drink a bunch of water and take my vitamins and go to bed with just a little bit of hair care and skincare. So I'm gonna put in some It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product, and it has like a spray, but I feel like the spray does not evenly distribute the product. So I actually just spray it into my hand and then I rub it through my hair, mostly just my ends. I'm going to do a little combination of the Josie Maran Pure Argan Oil and then the Skin Iceland Arctic Repair Cream. And then lastly is this Awake chapstick. And I'm feeling so relaxed and so refreshed after today. Such a great little Sunday. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you got some motivation for the week ahead of you and get to do a little reset for yourselves this weekend. So as always, thanks so much for watching. I hope all of you are staying safe and doing well, and I will see you on my next video.